Less than P class equals data end equals 395. Data start equals 77 greater than. Let me tell you something that truly feels like a breakthrough. There's a new pill called less than M data end equals 18. O data start equals 166 greater than capivasertib that is changing the game for thousands of women living with advanced breast cancer. It's now officially available on the NHS in England and Wales, and the impact it's already having is both powerful and emotional. Less than P class equals data end equals 1034. Data start equals 397 greater than capivasertib is designed for a specific type of breast cancer, the hormone receptor positive, HER2 negative type, which happens to be the most common form of incurable breast cancer. What makes this pill so groundbreaking is that it targets cancer on a molecular level. It works by blocking a protein called AKT that helps cancer cells grow. Scientists have been working on this drug for nearly 20 years, and it's now proven to slow the progression of the disease significantly. In trials, it doubled the time before the cancer worsened, from 3.6 months to 7.3 months, and even shrank tumors in nearly a quarter of participants. That's huge. Less than P class equals data end equals 1484. Data start equals 1036 greater than. For patients like Linda Kelly, a 67-year-old who stays active with cycling and gardening, this drug has been life-changing. Her cancer had spread to her bones and chest wall, but capivasertib has given her nearly 4 more years. 4 years filled with plans, travel, and a sense of hope. She said it helped her live a normal kind of life, and even forget she has cancer sometimes. That's the real impact here. Not just more time, but less than M. Data end equals 1478. Data start equals 1470, greater than better time. Less than P class equals data end equals 1828. Data start equals 1486, greater than. Another patient, Elin Hughes, described how this pill transformed her outlook from seeing herself as a dying person to someone who's thriving. And honestly, that's what everyone fighting cancer deserves. A chance to live fully, to see milestones like weddings, and to not have their lives defined by treatment schedules and harsh side effects. Less than P class equals data end equals 2332 data start equals 1830 greater than. What's also important to highlight is the behind-the-scenes battle to get this drug approved. Initially rejected by the National Institute for Health and Care Excellence, that is NICE, capivasertib finally got the green light after continued pressure from health professionals and patient advocates. It's a win, but it also raises questions about why life-saving treatments face such delays. Imagine how many more people could benefit if we fast-tracked access based on strong evidence and real-world urgency. Less than P class equals data end equals 2685. Data start equals 2334 greater than. The drug isn't for everyone. It's most effective for patients with certain gene mutations, like PIK3CA, AKT1, or PTEN, that these mutations are present in nearly half of those with this type of breast cancer. That's why experts are now calling for faster, widespread genetic testing, so patients who qualify can start treatment without unnecessary delays. Less than P class equals data end equals 3100 data start equals 2687 greater than. This is also a proud moment for British science. Capivasertib was developed right here in the UK through 2 decades of research. Professor Nicholas Turner from the Institute of Cancer Research, who led the study, called it a great success story. And it really is. It's not just about the science. It's about real lives being extended, quality of life being restored, and families being given more time together. Less than P class equals data end equals 3335. Data start equals 3102, greater than. In the world of advanced breast cancer, where the outlook can often feel limited, capivasertib is a much-needed light. It's giving people time, not just on the clock, but time that actually. Less than M data end equals 3298 data start equals 3291, greater than feels like living. And that is everything. Stay subscribed for more videos.